Hey guys, it's Jen here. I am going to be changing up my map lights for some LED RGB lights. They are just Wish specials. I think I paid like $3 for them. They need to be replaced anyway because they're faded yellow. All you need is a small flathead screwdriver. Now the light bulbs for these are the 3175.
Wait, where are you putting that?
Okay, so if you look along here, there are a couple little divots here and here.
Oh yeah.
And just a little flathead in there. Push it inward or outwards, I guess, away from this, and then down. Just get off the clips. And same thing on the other side, just back and then down. And it pops right out.
That was fast.
So like I said, these ones are the 3175s. Which, if you look for, if you buy like the RGB light bulbs, they're sold by millimeters. They are the 31 millimeter. So this is gonna be hot probably.
Mm-hmm.
Because these usually are. Very. Do you have any gloves in the car?
In the trunk.
Oh, of course, there's one in the trunk. There's always one in the trunk. So, like I said, these bulbs here are extremely, extremely hot. So they're gonna be the LEDs as well as they're not. Hey, a glove.
And oddly enough, it's like.
And some face masks.
Yeah, we don't care about that.
Oddly enough, oh, dead spider. Gross. Blech.
I had one of those. No.
Blech. So, you should just pull out. Oh, these ones are always so hard. There's no room for my fingers. Yeah. Would you recommend the flathead on for this part too, Pat?
I would. Just make sure you go in the middle of the bulb because the part you were trying to get was
Right here?
Yeah.
Just pop it out.
Yeah, it should be able to just pop right down. Right against the bulb.
I don't want to break the bulb though. Not while I'm looking up at it. Because our safety glasses would be a great idea. Remember that whole video we did at the beginning of the year? Safety first?
Uh-huh. Here, you want me to try?
Sure. Because I'm not always confident with this part.
Jay, we're gonna switch.
Oops, sorry about my hand in the way there. Oh, let's go on the passenger side.
Which one's your lights?
That one. I got two remotes, one for my dome light and one's for those lights. Hopefully, we're going to try and see if they'll just pair up the same remote.
Oh.
They should just slide out.
Yeah, they do. Oops. And I threw the screwdriver away, because...
You're silly.
Dumpty.
Which part is I clean my car, it's still a mess.
Yeah.
Hey, we lost it.
Yeah, I want to take it out because it's really hot.
It's on my butt.
I got it.
There to cool down? And the other one?
Okay, so when you look at it, right here.
What was the trick there, Pat?
Right here. So you see how there's a thing there?
Yeah.
And a thing there. You got to push those because it just sits into it.
Okay, I know for my dome light, it was a lot easier. It just slid out, no issue. These ones here just it's a little bit hard to get your fingers in. Oh, that one broke a little bit.
Yeah. Because I got the sun in one eye. And it's hard to see what the heck I'm doing. There you go.
Alrighty.
That one's right there.
So those were those.
Okay, now we're gonna switch.
Yeah.
Because Jen's gonna put them in. Alright, Jen, so close your door.
That might have been helpful in the first place.
Something we should have done.
You live, you learn, you burn your fingers a little bit.
Hey, it's a cube.
And those are the lights.
Whoa, look at that.
And they should just... Well, if it'll fit. I don't know if it's going to fit. These ones won't fit there, honey. You know the 3175s, they are too wide. What are we going to do, babe? Oh, dear. So this is something we didn't think of. Oh, wait, maybe? Maybe? No. Yeah, so we're running into the issue now because it's not the same shape. That it's just a little bit wider. So it looks like I'm not going to get my RGBs in here. Unless somebody knows of some place that sells them.
Let me see. Switch.
Switch. You put them on an angle? Up and down maybe? That's probably too wide for that too, eh?
Ow.
What? in the world is going on there? Well, that's a weird party light going on.
I know. I'm not done yet.
Huh.
I just can't see. I don't want to break it.
It definitely looks like it's in though. It's in the bracket.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright. See the other one. You open your door? Since we're like dying of heat in here.
Yeah.
Like all the way. You're not gonna hit the car.
I'm always afraid to. So how did you get that in there? You angled it weird. Apparently this is like your guru thing today. Usually it's my guru thing, but today's your guru thing.
Yeah, it's gonna be popcorn or potato camera.
Yeah, we got some fingers in the way. I like it's on party strobe mode already.
Probably. Problem is, I can't see exactly where I was.
Oh, I think you got it.
Yeah, no.
Hold on. Oh, no.
Like, I got a sun in one eye.
The flashing light in the other. It has to go towards...
And now I can't see at all because
Sorry.
you're in the way. All right. So, these are something that are not meant for your car.
Nope.
So,
It worked well for the dome light though.
yeah, that's the issue. Like, if your car was fully paid, I'd definitely just mock it up and put it in. But the problem is there's one of the holes is right there. It's like it just doesn't want to fit whatsoever, this one. The other one's in. See, it's right.
That one's like no party
there.
for you.
I know. It's so crazy. So, what the hell is it even on? Oh, it's just touching it. I'm like, wait a minute.
It just gets excited when it touches something.
Yeah, apparently.
It's like I'm being touched, yay, lights.
No, this one here just doesn't want to at all. That's so weird. Like it won't slide into the hole. All right, so we got one. We're having a lot of issues with the next one. We're gonna cut it here because we installed one. The odds are we're probably gonna go back to the black, the regular ones because these really don't fit.
Let's get we'll get the LED what version.
Yeah.
They're like $13 a piece, but
yeah, you want to do it right. So now we all know, don't buy from Wish. Don't buy from Wish.
don't buy the square ones for those lights for the 2015 Subaru.
Yeah.
But for that one, it works great.
Absolutely. All right.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.